Good morning, boys. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great at home. We have already studied part 1 of chapter 4 Keyboard Special Keys, and in that part, we have already studied alphabet keys and the number keys. In this part, we are going to study about special keys. They have different symbols on them like plus, minus, and many more. Okay, first we will start with special keys and we'll try to understand that why they are called special keys. Because they perform some specific function on the keyboard. That's why they are given the name special keys. So first special key is the space bar. Space bar is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give space between the two words. Now let's take an example to understand the spacebar key. Let us type a sentence, I live in Agra. Now press the spacebar key once between the words to give a space. Then our output will be I space live space in space Agra. Now our output will look like this. So boys, isn't it beautiful? So this is the use of a space bar key. Second special key is caps lock key. The caps lock word has come from capital. If you'll see capital, caps lock. So the caps lock key is used to type letters in capitals. When we press the caps lock key once, the caps lock light will turn on. And now whatever you will write will appear in capital letters. Now let's take an example that how our sentence will look like if the caps lock key is on. We are typing I like my school. Now press the caps lock key again. The caps lock light will turn off. Now type again the sentence and we will see the difference. So, can you see the difference, boys? Yes, this is the use of caps lock key. One important point to note here is that a small green light on the keyboard tells us if the caps lock key is on or off. Third special key is enter key. Enter key. Enter key is used to bring the cursor to the next line on the monitor. Boys, enter key helps us to begin a new line. Whenever you will press this key on the keyboard, you will be shifted to the new next line in the beginning. On a keyboard, there are two enter keys. Fourth special key is arrow keys. They are also known as cursor control keys because these keys helps to move the cursor on the screen. They are 4 in number: up arrow key, down arrow key, left arrow key, right arrow key. Up arrow key is used to move the cursor up. Down arrow key is used to move the cursor down. Left arrow key is used to move the cursor to the left. Right arrow key is used to move the cursor to the right. We can move the cursor all over the screen by using our arrow keys. Fifth special key is backspace key. Backspace key erases the letters to the left side of the cursor. To the left side of the cursor. Boys, this key is the eraser for the computer. As we use eraser, if we write something wrong, the backspace key helps us to erase if we have typed something wrong on the computer. Sixth special key is the delete key. Delete key is also an eraser of the computer. It erases the letters to the right side of the cursor. Thank you, boys. So this was all about the special keys on the keyboard. I hope you all have understood it and will memorize it. Stay home, stay blessed.